Newcastle School of Trades is located at 4117 Pulaski Road in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. NCST is known for its practical training, hands-on learning, and training that can be completed in just months. This 93,000 square feet facility includes industry-level labs for all of our skilled trade programs. The combination welding program provides students with a well-rounded background in various welding applications and techniques based on ASME and AWS specifications. Types of welding covered include MIG, TIG, stick, pipe, and more. The Electrical Technology program is designed to provide students with entry-level knowledge and skills to install and service electrical applications within the residential, commercial, and industrial fields. This program covers both practice and theory for residential, commercial wiring, machine and electronic control, programmable controllers, and solid state. The Automotive Technology program teaches students how to maintain, diagnose, and service the vehicles found in the automotive industry. Students of this program will be exposed to components bumper to bumper, including but not limited to engines, transmissions, brakes, suspensions, exhaust, and electrical systems. Students within the Industrial Electromechanical Technician program will learn skills in industrial electricity, welding, HVAC, pneumatics, hydraulics, gaskets and seals, pumps, plumbing, equipment maintenance, and forklift operation. The Machinist Technology program is geared to provide students with the abilities, skills, and techniques for entry-level positions in the field of machine trades. Students will train with manual lathes, mills, drill presses, CNC lathes, and CNC mills while completing various projects shaping metal. The Building Technology program is designed to provide hands-on training for residential construction and remodeling fields. The program includes training in carpentry, framing, masonry, interior and exterior finishes, roofing, plumbing, and print reading. The Refrigeration and AC Technology program provides training in heating, air conditioning, commercial and residential refrigeration, and sheet metal. Students will learn to troubleshoot, diagnose, repair, and maintain equipment that could include heaters, fans, blowers, condensers, air conditioning, and air distribution systems.